Welcome to CyberTheo. If you've ever wanted to explore the world from a bird's eye view, drones are your ticket to adventure. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to capture stunning aerial photos or someone interested in flying for fun, this tutorial is for you. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to choose your first drone and fly it safely. Let's get started. Choosing the right drone. Understanding types of drones. Toy drones, ideal for beginners, these are affordable and easy to fly. Great for indoor practice and learning basic controls. Camera drones, perfect for those interested in photography or videography. They come with built-in cameras and offer more advanced features. Racing drones, designed for speed and agility, these are for those looking to get into drone racing. Key features to consider. Flight time. Look for drones with at least 20 minutes of flight time per battery charge. Range. Consider the distance your drone can travel from the controller. Beginners may want to start with shorter ranges to maintain control. Camera quality. If photography is your goal, pay attention to the camera specs, including resolution and gimbal stability. Price. Set a budget. Drones range from $50 to over $1,000. Choose one that fits your needs and skill level. Understanding drone regulations. FAA registration. In the U.S., drones over 0.55 pounds need to be registered with the FAA. Make sure you follow all local regulations. No-fly zones. Be aware of restricted areas like airports, national parks, and military bases. Use apps like B4UFLY to check for no-fly zones in your area. Safety guidelines. Fly below 400 feet. To avoid interfering with manned aircraft, keep your drone below 400 feet. Keep your drone in sight. Always maintain a visual line of sight with your drone. Avoid flying over people. For safety, avoid flying over crowds or private property without permission. Basic flying tips. Learning the controls. Start by familiarizing yourself with the drone's controls. Most drones have a joystick for altitude and direction, and buttons for takeoff, landing, and camera operation. Practicing in open spaces. Begin in a large, open area with few obstacles. Practice taking off, hovering, turning, and landing before attempting more advanced maneuvers. Understanding wind and weather conditions. Avoid flying in strong winds or bad weather. Drones are lightweight and can be easily swept away or damaged. Maintenance and care. Battery care. Always charge your batteries fully before flying and avoid draining them completely. Store them in a cool, dry place. Cleaning your drone. After each flight, clean the propellers and camera lens to remove any dirt or debris. Check for damage before and after flights. Firmware updates. Regularly update your drone's firmware to ensure it has the latest features and safety protocols. And that's it for our beginner's guide to choosing and flying your first drone safely. With the right drone and a bit of practice, you'll be capturing breathtaking aerial shots in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo. Check my links below for more content.